Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to see your recovery phrase in Metamask. So to get started with a quick guide on how you can simply view or see your recovery phrase in Metamask, the first thing to do is to open Metamask and unlock. So enter the password if your Metamask is locked. Then on the step 2, you have to click on the menu. So for browser, click the three dot icon in the upper right corner. Then for phone, tap the three lines, which is the lines like hobo menu in the top left. Then from there, go to settings, then select security and privacy. Then the next thing to do is to click review secret recovery phrase. Then enter your MetaMask password. So this is your MetaMask password that you will be used to unlock the key phrase. Then once that is done, click confirm. Then MetaMask will show you your 12-word secret recovery phrase. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.